Hello, this is Muhammad Abdullah again, and this is a quick demo on how to operate this STF 1200 tube furnace. In the previous video, I showed how to apply the vacuum on the tube, and now once it's under vacuum and you need to start heating the furnace to a certain program, you start by turning on the switch and hit on. And now we want to apply the program, the temperature and time to get to those temperature steps. So first hit AM here, and it will ask you for the first temperature or the initial temperature that you want to start from, and you keep it 0, or it will take the current temperature that the furnace is at. Like if it was at 100, it will start from that 100, and then you hit this button, the refresh button. It's the next step. You say how much time you want until the next temperature that you will put, and that will determine the rate the furnace will heat up with. So let's say the next next temperature is like 200, and you want the rate to be 10 degrees per minute. Then you put the time 20 minutes, for example. Oh, here's a mistake. When you take a long time, you will just stop, and then you have to start over by hitting AM, and then you say 0, and then the time you want is 20 minutes. So you go to the next decimal and then increase that. Then the temperature that you want, let's say 200, and then let's say next step you want that furnace to hold on that temperature for a certain time. Let's say you want it to stay for an hour, so 60 minutes. Then the next temperature will be the same, so the furnace will know that I want to stay on this temperature for the last 60 minutes I put. Okay, and after that time, let's say you want another step, or you want it to cool down. So you put the time that you want. Let's say we want it to cool down, and we want it to cool down in like 15 minutes, which is not possible in this furnace, but let's say 15 minutes, and the temperature to get to, let's say negative something, like negative arbitrary value. That means that you want the furnace to cool down, and just wait for it until the stop sign, the stop word, appears on the LCD. Now you can keep holding on run for 3 seconds until it's running. So now the furnace is on. You can see here the out button is flashing. That means the furnace is applying and stopping, like it's applying heat and stopping, applying and stopping to control the rate of the heating. And it will keep doing that. See, this is the set point, and this is the current temperature inside according to the thermocouple. So because we put a slow rate, it's going up slowly, and it's good to do a slow rate for the furnace not to overshoot above the temperature, the target final temperature that you want. And that's it.